Right now, while you're watching this, your body is making peptides. Not one, not 10, not 100, over 7,000 different kinds. Scientists have identified more than 7,000 distinct peptides naturally occurring in the human body. Each one is a specific molecular instruction, a chain of amino acids built for one job and one job only. Some tell your pancreas to release insulin, some tell your brain you're full after a meal, some tell damaged tissue to start repairing itself. Some regulate your sleep, some control your blood pressure, some are involved in literally every major system keeping you alive right now. You didn't choose any of this, it's just running silently, constantly. Peptides are the operating system you've been running on your entire life. I'm Sean, this is PeptideAToZ. Let's make 7,000 feel real, because it's easy to hear a big number and let it slide past you. Insulin, one peptide, regulates blood sugar for your entire body every day for your whole life. Oxytocin, another peptide, drives bonding, trust, and the release reflex during breastfeeding. GLP-1, the peptide behind Ozempic, gets released by your gut after every single meal you eat, telling your brain you're full. Endorphins, peptides, are why you feel good after a hard workout, or why pain feels duller during a crisis. Multiply that by 7,000 and you start to understand peptides aren't a category of medicine, they're a category of biology. Here's why this 7,000 number actually matters. Every single peptide we cover on this channel exists because it's a copy of something already in that 7,000. BPC 157 is a synthetic version of a peptide fragment your stomach lining already produces. GHK-Q is one your blood plasma already contains. Researchers aren't inventing new biology, they're learning how to deliver more of it, more precisely when it's needed. You're restoring a signal your body already speaks fluently. Quick pause, 2 ways to go deeper. The free beginner's guide to peptide science is linked in the description. It's where to start if any of this is new to you. And the PeptideAToZ community has the full field guide and AI peptide coach, both links below. Let's wrap this up. Now, the honest scientific nuance. Researchers estimate only a few hundred have confirmed, well understood bioactivity. The rest are real, they've been detected, but their specific function isn't fully mapped yet. That's the actual current frontier of the science. You are quite literally a walking library of mostly uncatalogued biological information, and we're here to help you understand it. Over 7,000 peptides, running your hormones, immune system, and healing right now. That's not a biohacking trend, that's just what you are. This is PeptideAToZ, research, education, longevity. Drop a comment with which peptide you want us to cover next. See you in the next one. One last thing. Everything on this channel is for educational purposes only. We're here to break down the science, not to tell you what to do with your body. Nothing in this video is medical advice, and nothing here should be taken as a recommendation to use any specific compound or substance. Always talk to a qualified healthcare professional before making any decisions about your health. We take that seriously, and we think you should too.